Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make mint chocolate chip ice cream. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna sift the egg yolks to remove the membrane and prevent eggy taste. Add caster sugar, whisk, pour whole milk, double cream, and heat. I'm gonna pour little by little, stirring all the time to prevent lumps. Return to the saucepan. Stirring continuously until the custard just coats the back of the spoon. Transfer to a container. And leave cooling. Meanwhile, let's recap what has been done. The egg yolks were whisked with caster sugar, the whole milk and double cream were boiled, and the ingredients were cooked, forming a custard. I'm gonna pour vanilla essence, peppermint essence, green gel food coloring, and stir. I'm gonna press the pre-cool button, wait for about 10 minutes, pour the ice cream, and press the start button. The add mix-ins is flashing. I'm gonna add the dark chocolate chips little by little to incorporate well. And turn until the end of ice cream function status bar. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!